These are the technologies that we are going to be working with in this course. Of course, there are many other packages that we are going to be looking at, but the top level technologies are going to be these ones listed here. So in the back end, we're going to be developing the API in Laravel. We will be using Sockety for our WebSockets to listen for events in the front end. And we're going to be using FFmpeg, which is an open source video processing tool. We're going to be using that to process our videos, converting them from MP4 to HLS, so HTTP live streaming format. And we will be storing our videos in DigitalOcean storage. So that will be DigitalOcean Spaces, which is very similar to Amazon S3. And again, you can use whatever you want for this. It doesn't really matter. But in our case, we are going to be using DigitalOcean Spaces. Then we will be implementing some live search, instance search using Milisearch. And if you're familiar with Argolia, this is an open source version of what you would get in Argolia. Maybe not all the functionalities that come with Argolia, but I think Milisearch provides a really nice starting point for us to create an instance search tool. So that will be the main list of technologies that we are going to be using in the back end. And in the front end, the client side will run entirely on Nuxt.js. And then we will be using other packages to support that. So our video player will be implemented in Video.js, which is the most popular video player package or library that I know at the moment. We will also be using Tailwind's utility classes to style our CSS. But again, we are also going to throw in a few components from Quasar just because I needed something very fast and I didn't want to spend too much time writing code to create components. So in this case, we are going to be borrowing some components from Quasar's library to make things faster and then implementing Tailwind utility classes to style our entire site. Then Stripe will be used for checkout. So when users actually buy a course, we will be using Stripe's API to do the purchases. These are the main technologies that we will cover during this course. And so if you are interested in any of these, I think that you would find value in actually implementing them in a real life project like we will be doing in the next couple of hours.